In this video, we're looking at the kickback exercise. Does anyone else think it's weird this demo guy has no skin but he's wearing shoes? Anyways, kickbacks are a great exercise to target your tricep muscles. Start by standing in front of a bench. Hold a dumbbell in your right hand, step forward with your right foot, then place your left hand and left knee on the bench. Raise your elbow to just above your rib cage. Keep a straight spine and extend your elbow, raising the dumbbell backward. Contract your tricep at the top of the movement and resist the weight of the dumbbell as you reverse the movement to return to the starting position for optimal tricep activation. Then switch sides. Perform all reps on one side before moving to the other. Focus on keeping your body and elbow as stationary as possible to best isolate the triceps. Like most dumbbell exercises, you can also do kickbacks using a kettlebell. Hold the kettlebell by the handle with a neutral grip like you were holding a suitcase, then repeat the same steps. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Then turn off YouTube, go outside, and enjoy your day. When you come back, check out these other videos.